Our next performance celebrates the most beautiful truth about India, that though we speak in many tongues and live in many ways, we are one nation.
The students of Class 3, Park Suckers, bring this message alive through their drama, Unity in Diversity.
Let's applaud the harmony that binds us beyond all differences.
Good evening everyone, welcome to Daffodil High School. The students are all set for our cultural competitions, but something feels a little different today. Some students are whispering, some are curious, and some are wondering why these friends are dressed up in a different way and what does unity in diversity really mean? Why is Riya wearing that bindi all the time? And why does Zara speak in Hindi all the time? Everyone looks just so different. That's what makes us special. Today we will explore unity in diversity. Unity in diversity, what does that mean? Sat Sri Akal. I am from Punjab. I love lassi and bhangra. Vanakkam. I am from Tamil Nadu. We eat idli and we will tea. Namaskar. I am from Bengal. We love Rasgulla and Durga Puja. Namaskar. I am from Assam. We wear Mekhela Sador and celebrate Bihu. Namaste. I'm from Maharashtra. We love Modak and we celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi. Different states, different ways, but we all are one family every day. Our journey, our journey began with voices, so many voices. Each one sounds different, but together they make India sing. Namaste. I speak Hindi and I love writing poems in my language. Vanakkam. I speak Tamil and I love listening to Carnatic songs. Namaskar. I speak Bengali and my favorite word is Bhalabasha, which means love. More Manipuri in my home we dance to folk music of Manipur. Hello, I speak English and enjoy reading storybooks and partying. Me Marathi बोलतो. I love to listening Marathi poems, brave songs of our heroes. Oh no, we all speak so differently. How we will understand one another? We can always understand the language of smiles and kindness. Different words, one voice, we all. Next stop, the lunch break. A perfect place to discover how delicious diversity can be. I bought biryani from my home. It smells so good. My tiffin have soft idli and spicy chutney.
I have sweet rasgulla. Would you like to try?
I have momos from the hills, soft and tasty. This one is really strange to me.
Every dish tells a story. Every flavor adds color. Let's share a tale of compare.
And we share, we can, unity taste delicious. The school corridors now turns into a colorful parade. The school corridors now turns into a colorful parade. Everyone celebrates their own festivals, yet all spread the same message of joy. I celebrate Diwali with lights that chase away the darkness. I celebrate Eid with hug and sweet sabai. I celebrate Christmas with stars and candles. I celebrate Baisakhi with drums and dance. I celebrate Pongal with rice, sugarcane and smile. I celebrate Bihu with fun and laughter. So many festivals, but one celebration happiness. And when words are not enough, we dance. Our dance celebrates every rhythm, every step, every color of our country.
कोई मारे ना यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है ऐसे हैं चाहे कैसे हैं अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं खुद पे हम नाज है जाने ना हमको ये जमाना चाहो तो हमको आजमाना यार बार हम जान जात हम इश्क बात दिल वाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छूते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले हर चीज की ले हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले
क्यों आप लोग इंडिया वाले नहीं है? प्लीज cheer them up.
But unity is not always easy. Sometimes our differences make us forget that we are one. You can't play in my team. You are not from my team. But I just wanted to join and have fun. Hey, that's not fair. Everyone deserves a chance to play.
A real leader includes everyone, not just friends. Remember, leadership means kindness.
I understand now. Let's play together as one team. Our real leader lift others up. laughter. So many traditions, one proud heart, India.
Every thread of culture makes our nation's fabric stronger.
Our heritage connects us like a color in a rainbow. A week later, the class learns about a flood that affected a nearby village. Instead of feeling sad, they decided to act.
Those children have a book, can we help them?
We can collect notebook and clothes. When we help others, we make India stronger.
That's wonderful, children. Real unity is not just words, it's been helping hands.
Unity means caring beyond our walls. The project changed the way how students saw each other. Now they gather to share what they will learn. I used to think my culture was special. No, I know everyone culture had its own way.
Back the spirit education. Every child a leader, every leader a learner.
Unity is not a word, it's a way of living. Bless. And now as the school bells ring, the student make a promise that will echo forever. We promise to speak kindly and include everyone. We promise to stand together no matter what. Because unity begins with me.
Students, what did we learn today?
Together we are strong. Together we are India.
Now prepare your hearts for a moving story of struggle, hope, and peace.
Through the Palestine hymn skit and dance, the students of class 4 remind us that even in the darkest times, humanity shines the brightest.
Jayesh, Hazrat, are you done decorating? Come have your watermelon or it will go bad.
Yes, Mummy. We will be there in a bit.
Bhaiya, isn't it interesting that the green color of the watermelon is so much similar to the Tisra Rang of our national flag? Yes, my brother. Fun fact, do you know that the watermelon was actually used by a country called Palestine to identify their flag? I don't think I understand. Tell me more. What is Palestine and why would they use a watermelon as a flag? Gear up for a story time, brother. I will tell you all about it. This is a tale of great suffering, yet of great strength. What I am about to tell you will make you laugh and cry at the same time. Mind you, this is not a fairy tale. It is is very real and it is a story that is still being written. Oh, go on already, will you? Palestine is a beautiful country in the Middle Eastern part of Asia, where the Arab world is. For thousands and thousands of years, culture, art and science blossomed on its land. In fact, Nazareth, the city where Jesus used to live, is also located in here.
They must be a blessed people then.
Well, that is the catch. Although it's such a blessed land, Palestine has known horrors that we can barely imagine. From 1947 to 1948, when the State of Israel was formed on Palestinian land, pirates from the west started coming and killing Palestinians to steal their land. They said that it was a land promised them by God, so it is theirs, even though the Palestinians had been living there for years on end.
But if it was gifted by God, wouldn't that land be for everyone? Are we not all equal before the eyes of God?
You ask a good question, brother, but I don't have an answer to that. In 1948, a terrible thing happened. The Israeli army attacked Palestine so horribly that tens of thousands of lives were lost. People were pushed out of their homes and forced to migrate. That dark day was called the Nakba, or the storm that changed the course of history.
If they were forced to leave their homes, where did they go?
Those who were lucky enough to survive, many of them escaped farther or inland, or had to shift to Israel, where their life became miserable. They were not allowed to hoist their flags, so they used the watermelon, which has the same color as their flag.
So were the people of Palestine never happy again?
Do you know, Hazrat, life goes on.
This world is filled with terror, sadness, and pain. But through all that, we humans find our little moments of joy. The surviving Palestinians rebuilt their lives from ashes just like the phoenix and found home. That is the story of their resilience.
على ديني على أرض تلاقيني أنا لأهلي أنا فديهم أنا دمي فلسطيني 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 أنا دمي فلسطيني والله أنا دمي فلسطيني 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 أنا دمي فلسطيني
What happened to the pristine October skies? Mother, father, what are those blinking lights? I hide in the car as 1,000 fireflies rush to me. A sudden sharp pain in my chest and I am set free. I am Hind and this is my song. Listen close as I go along. To the massacre of our people inside, there seems no end. For all the kafirs you tear, with our own hands we will mend. तुम जमीन पे जुल्म लिख दो, आसमान पे इनकलाब लिखा जाएगा. dance on the darkest of nights, candle-lit witches our steps alight. I am Hind, and the flame in my eyes are forever bound. Even in deathly silence, you will hear my voice aloud. They tried to erase Palestine, but little did they know, in the fight against oppression, we were never alone. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है. Every time you burn us down, we will rise again. They tried to erase Palestine, but little did they guess, we are the origin of origins and nothing less.
بتغير بنفس المكان مين يحكي لهم احنا غير يا ما انحكى الله صايد عنا نبقى باقينا وليه ولا حد يحكي لهم ليه بس انا قلبي عمره ما بينساه اسمه هواه وانا قلبي ما بينساه اسمه هواه شمسي أنا الحرية ما بحني راسي نمية حبة رياح شرقية سجل أنا عربية بعرف أصلي أنا
Not just a human, she is a force, a revolution, a rising flame. She is an integral part of the society who plays a vital role in everyone's life.
Our 10 senior dancers now brings that flame to life through rhythm, power, dance and grace. So here we present to you an inspiring dance performance on women empowerment.
रीति की जंजीरें खा गई जंग दंगल दंगल धड़कने छाती में जब दुबक जाती है, पीठ थप थपा उनको फिर जगह बात बन जाती है। बावले हाथी की हर चुनौती है रे, सामने खड़ी घूर के बड़ी आंख दिखलाती है, तो आंख से उसकी आंख मिला के भिड़ जाने का नाम है प्यारे। दंगल 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 सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे। दंगल 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 मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी।
Come on, come on!